In today's modern world, where technology is constantly evolving, motorcycles are no longer just a means of transportation, but have become symbols of creativity and innovation. Leading motorcycle manufacturers worldwide are pushing the boundaries of engineering and design, delivering groundbreaking models that are not only visually stunning, but also redefine how we interact with vehicles. From futuristic concepts like the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100, featuring self-balancing technology and zero emissions, to the mesmerizing Lazareth LMV 496, a motorcycle capable of hovering, each model carries a unique story and cutting-edge technology. These motorcycles not only meet performance demands, but also captivate the hearts of enthusiasts through bold designs and unprecedented features. They represent the industry's far-reaching vision, from the seamless blend of art and technology in the BMW Alpha to the self-driving capabilities of the Yamaha Motoroi, or the remarkable transformation ability of the Kawasaki J Concept. Join us in exploring and admiring these mobile masterpieces. Yamaha Motoroi. In 2040, human transportation will be radically different. In fact, your daily driver might just resemble the Yamaha Motoroi. This futuristic motorcycle is a concept vehicle with AI as its main attraction. It was inspired by the Japanese concept of kondo, a profound spiritual feeling of inspiration and satisfaction. Its design complements this aesthetic with chrome battery cells, resembling canisters beneath the rider's seat, as well as a haptic human-machine interface that wraps around the hips to enhance the riding experience. On the technical side, the Motoroi features an image recognition AI system, Yamaha's exclusive self-balancing technology, and self-driving technology that allows the bike to come to you and follow you. Kawasaki J Concept. The Kawasaki J Concept made its debut at the 2013 Tokyo Motor Show, captivating audiences with its unique design and forward-thinking engineering. This three-wheeled, battery-powered transforming vehicle resembles a Star Trek prop, with its ability to transform into various riding positions and its sharp, aggressive styling reminiscent of Kawasaki motorcycles. The J Concept offers riders a choice of different riding positions, a comfort mode for an upright stance and an attack mode for a more aggressive riding style. These modes are enabled by adjustments in the rear angle, footrest position, and handlebar position. BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha is the premier motorcycle in its class, the product of the minds and hands of Mehmet Doruk Erdem and Mark Atkinson. This bike showcases the expertise of these two masters, featuring a sleek rolling chassis that emphasizes clean lines and aerodynamic design. Other parts of the motorcycle are meticulously handcrafted, with brakes and shifters customized to fit seamlessly into the new design. Impressive features include a center hub pivot, a bell crank steering system, and hand-machined aluminum linkages. For riders who crave speed, the bike also offers a turbo booster to support its K75S 740cc inline three-cylinder BMW engine. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The Vision Next 100 was unveiled to almost unanimous acclaim in Los Angeles in 2016. This praise was well-deserved, as the Vision Next 100 blends all the stylings of a futuristic vehicle with BMW's characteristic flair. Continuing the current trend of environmentally friendly products, the Vision Next produces no emissions and features a unique self-balancing design that makes this motorcycle a joy to ride. This design offers a safer experience for beginners and a more dynamic riding experience for experts, as they no longer have to focus so much attention on keeping the bike steady. Another feature of the Vision Next 100 is the interaction between the rider and the environment via the visor, a convenient piece of technology that captures relevant information from the surroundings and projects it directly into the rider's field of vision. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LM 496 will reignite your interest in motorcycling. This unique motorcycle can transform into a flying vehicle and vice versa. While the term flying might be a bit of an overstatement, this motorcycle can hover about 3.3 feet above the ground. The LMV 496 compensates for this with JetCat turbines spinning at 496,000 RPM, producing about 529 pounds of thrust. It has a kerosene tank that provides enough fuel to lift the bike for a few breathtaking minutes, while the dashboard displays all the essential flight information you need to enjoy these moments to the fullest. If you like the idea of Lazareth assisted flight, start saving up. Only 5 units of the LMV 496 will be made, each costing a staggering $500,000. Neutron bike. If you're a movie enthusiast, you've likely dreamed of riding the light cycle from Tron Legacy. That dream can now come true with the Neutron bike, a real-life reimagining of the light cycle. Created by the Parker brothers, this motorcycle features a steel chassis, an electric motor, and a high-grade carbon fiber body. The characteristic glowing lights are achieved through electroluminescent strips along the lines and rims of the motorcycle. Powered by a 96-volt motor and lithium-ion batteries, the Neutron bike boasts blinding speed, charging to full capacity in under 40 minutes and offering a range of 100 miles. Prices for the standard version start at $55,000.